Okay, I'm gonna lay these fucking them up hopefully down. Fucking them up hopefully. Brother, I don't know why this stuff's just falling apart. Yep. Okay, well. It's about like that. Should be ready to go to work here. Some lemon juice there, lemon juice here. Only thing left to do is put the mushrooms on top of the fish. This should be alright. It actually tastes pretty freaking good. Go ham on the top of the fish. Everything. Make sure it's covered really good. There we go. Alright. Let's do 15 minutes. Actually, we're going to do 16. Just. There's that. There's the after. Pink salmon.